On today's episode, we're going to look at social media marketing for home remodelers and some basic strategies for the different platforms that you can implement today. So I want you to think about this. A homeowner is scrolling through their phone looking for some inspiration to finally update their outdated kitchen, and they come across a stunning before and after photo on Instagram. Stops the scroll. They visit the remodeling company's profile and they send a message. And just like that, a new project is born. You see, for home remodelers, social media isn't just a tool, it's an absolute goldmine. It's where you can showcase your expertise, connect with potential clients, and build a trusted reputation. And every platform, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or Houzz, offers unique opportunities to grow your business. So today, we're going to explore strategies that are tailored to each platform. I'm going to give you some tips for creating engaging content and show you how to turn those likes and follows into leads and contracts. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and jump into our topic for today. And let me go ahead and give you an overview of where we're going to go. So we're just going to talk about the importance of social media and why it's essential. We'll look at platform-specific strategies that you can implement. We'll talk about content quality and consistency and why those are so important. We'll look at ways to build engagement so you can build relationships. We'll talk about guiding those potential clients to take action. And we'll talk about using your social media as a lead generation machine. And so with that, let's get to the core of our discussion today. And that's why social media really matters for you as a home remodeler. Because social media is where today's homeowners really do start their remodeling journey. In fact, studies tell us that nearly 75% of consumers rely on social media platforms for ideas and recommendations before they make a purchase. So unlike traditional advertising, social media lets you directly interact with your potential customer. It is the opportunity for you to actually answer their questions, show off your work, and build trust. And you get to do this all before they even pick up the phone to talk to you. Plus, with billions of users scrolling daily, addicted to their smartphones, social media offers unmatched visibility and reach for your business. And if you're not active on these platforms, you are absolutely missing out on opportunities to engage with your ideal clients. So let me give you some platform-specific strategies that you can be using. Let's start with Facebook. And Facebook is what I'm going to call the community connector. It's like the town square of social media. It's where communities come together to share, to comment, and to recommend businesses that they trust. And so if you want to succeed on Facebook, target locally. Use Facebook ads to reach homeowners in your area. Narrow down your audience by location, age, and interests, like home improvement or design trends. Join local groups. Become an active member of neighborhood and homeowner groups, and then offer helpful advice or tips without being overly promotional. Now, let me re-emphasize that. Offer helpful advice and tips. Don't get in there and say, call us today to remodel your house. Get in there and be helpful. Offer over-the-top value, and people will naturally come to you. Now, let me also say this. If you're not finding good local groups on Facebook, create one. We've got a client that has been with us for 10 years now, and that's what he's done. He has created a group to help local homeowners find contractors for all sorts of things in the local area. And that group has grown to several thousand people. Now, guess who's in there always making recommendations? He is. And it has helped grow his business exponentially. Be sure and post interactive content. Use polls, contests, question and answer sessions to engage followers. For example, you might ask, which bathroom style do you love most? Modern or rustic? And then be sure and share testimonials and projects. Regularly post before and after photos, client reviews, and updates about ongoing work, because those are going to build credibility and excitement. You want to excite the imagination of your audience. You want to get them dreaming. Now, the next platform, and this is an interesting little tidbit for you. For years, the number 2 largest search engine in the world was YouTube. But YouTube has now been overtaken by this platform, Instagram. Instagram is your digital showroom. Instagram is the perfect platform for you as a remodeler to showcase visually stunning work. So from eye-catching photos to short video reels, it's a place where creativity is going to propel you forward. And here's the way you win on Instagram. Focus on before and after posts. These are some of the most engaging types of content, so you want to highlight the transformation in photos or quick video clips. And then you want to really leverage stories and reels. So capture behind the scenes moments, share tips, or create mini tutorials, because these will give your audience a sneak peek into the process that you use. Be sure and leverage hashtags. Use relevant hashtags to make your content easier to discover. So you might want to use hashtags like hashtag home remodeling, hashtag kitchen inspiration, or hashtag your city home remodeling. And then partner with local influencers like local interior designers or real estate agents or insurance agents who can introduce your services to their followers. Get in front of the audiences of people who already have audiences built on Instagram. From there, you want to think about Pinterest. And on Pinterest, what you're going to do is you're going to inspire the dreamer. Because Pinterest is where homeowners go to imagine their dream spaces. What people do there is they use Pinterest to save ideas and plan for future remodeling projects. So it's a powerful tool for remodelers to get in the middle of that process. And so here's how to make Pinterest work for you. Create inspiring boards. Develop boards with themes like dream bathrooms or small kitchen makeovers. And then include links to your website or blog for more information. Use eye-catching pins. Focus on high-quality images with detailed descriptions and keywords. For example, a pin labeled 10 budget-friendly kitchen renovation ideas can attract significant traffic. Be sure and promote your pins. Invest in Pinterest ads to put your content in front of users searching for remodeling ideas in your areas. And then offer free resources. Share downloadable content like checklists or guides, such as 5 steps to plan your next home remodeling project. From there, you want to go to Houzz. And Houzz is the place for the remodeler's portfolio. It's the go-to platform for homeowners who are researching remodeling professionals And what it does is it combines the functionality of a search engine, a review site, and an inspiration board all in one. And so if you want to stand out on Houzz, number one, complete your profile. Use high quality photos and detailed descriptions to showcase your services and your expertise. Encourage reviews. Ask your satisfied clients to leave testimonials on your profile. Reviews are going to significantly influence homeowners who are choosing a remodeler. And then engage in the forums. Be sure and answer questions or participate in discussions to establish your authority. You want to become a topical authority on the platform. And then leverage idea books. Share your projects through idea books to inspire potential clients and show off your creativity. And then here's some tips for creating and curating content. So creating compelling content doesn't require that you have a big budget or a professional team. So here's some tips to help simplify the process. Number one, prioritize quality visuals. Use high-resolution images and videos to showcase your projects. Good lighting, clean angles, all make a difference in your visuals. Number two, keep it varied. Alternate between the types of posts. Project updates, client testimonials, blog links, DIY tips. A variety of content will keep your audience engaged. Number three, be consistent. Post regularly to stay on your audience's radar. So for Facebook and Instagram, aim for 3 to 5 posts per week. Be sure and share trusted resources. Curate content from reputable sources like articles on remodeling trends or maintenance tips. And then use scheduling tools to make things easier for you. Platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer or Social Pilot can help you plan posts in advance, and that's going to save you time and ensure consistency. And then be sure to engage with your potential clients on social media. Social media isn't just about posting and forgetting about it. It's about interaction. So be sure and build relationships with potential clients because that can lead to valuable connections. Respond quickly when people comment, when they send messages, and when they ask questions, and do that within hours, not days. Prompt responses are going to show that you're professional, you're attentive, and you're eager to help. Encourage interaction. Be sure and ask questions, run polls in your posts. For example, which feature would you love most in your dream kitchen? An island or open shelving? And then share client feedback, highlight glowing reviews, or share video testimonials to build trust with your audience. And finally, guide clients to take clear action. Add a clear call to action. Buttons like Book Now or Contact Us make it easier for followers to schedule a consultation. So to wrap things up, take action and build your social media presence. It's a powerful way for you to connect with homeowners, showcase your expertise, and grow your remodeling business. And with platform-specific strategies, engaging content, and meaningful interactions, you can turn your social media into a lead-generating machine. If you need help, give us a call at Remodeling Marketing Team. And as always, thank you for tuning in to today's episode, and I look forward to talking with you again in our next episode.